We're going to explain how to convert negative numbers to positive numbers in Excel. There are several ways to achieve this, and we'll cover the most common and efficient methods. First, the simplest method is using the ABS function. 1. The ABS function, short for absolute, directly takes a negative number and returns its positive equivalent. For example, if cell A1 contains 10, the formula ABS A1 in another cell will display 10. You can apply this to a whole column of negative numbers by simply dragging the fill handle down. If your negative numbers are in column A, starting from A1, you could type ABS A1 into B1 and drag that down to convert all the corresponding negative numbers in column A to positive numbers in column B. Alternatively, you can use the multiplication method. Multiplying a negative number by 1 always results in a positive number. If cell A1 contains 10, the formula A11 will return 10. This method is equally straightforward and efficient for single cells or entire columns. Simply put, you can type A11 into B1, assuming your negative numbers are in column A starting from A1 and drag this formula down. For more complex scenarios, you might want to use conditional formatting. This method doesn't directly change the underlying number, but alters its display. Let's say you only want the negative numbers to appear positive, but want to keep the actual value negative for later calculations. This might be used for readability, but isn't suitable for further calculations that depend on the numbers being truly positive. Select the cells containing negative numbers. Go to Conditional Formatting, then New Rule, then use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter the formula A10, assuming your data starts in A1, and click Format. Under the Number tab, choose a custom format, and instead of the typical format of #, use #. This will display negative numbers as positive, but will preserve their negative sign in calculations. Finally, for large datasets or when you need to automate the process, you might consider using VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, macros. This is a more advanced technique and requires some programming knowledge. While it is efficient, the above-mentioned methods often suffice for most applications. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs and level of Excel expertise. Whether you're dealing with a few cells or thousands, Excel offers efficient tools to handle the conversion of negative numbers to their positive counterparts.